Alright, once again, you're welcome to today's episode. Today's episode, we are going to be solving problem based on friction, viscosity, and tension. But today's question particularly going to be based on friction. And wait, in case you are watching me for the first time, I'm Tejon, the originator of the 40 days Jamb challenge, going topic by topic, step by step, taking questions from each topic in the joint admission and matriculation board examination past question. And today's question, like I said, is going to be based on friction, right? So moving on, we have the question to be calculate the magnitude of the force required to just move a 20 kilogram object or mass along a horizontal surface if the coefficient of friction or the coefficient of static friction is zero point 0.2. But first of all, before I proceed, you can clearly see that coefficient of friction is zero point 0.2. It does not have a unit. That's to tell you that coefficient of static friction is a ratio. It does not have a unit, right? And so we have our solution. First of all, what is friction? Friction is the force resisting the relative motion of two surfaces in contact. You can see from the question that there is contact between the mass and the horizontal surface, right? And so moving on, first of all, we have given that m is equal to 20 kilogram, g acceleration to gravity is 10 meter per second square. The coefficient of friction is zero point 0.2. We are asked to calculate the frictional force F. The reason you write the parameters given in your physics problems is particularly because each topic literally have formula derived. You have the fundamental formulas and you have the derived ones. So there are many formulas under a particular topic. Talking about work, we have different formulas. We have we have power, we have different things. That is why give us the parameters so that we'll be able to deduce the particular formula we'll be using. And so moving on, according to experiment, the frictional force is directly proportional to the reacting force, and hence introducing a constant of proportionality, we have the coefficient of friction, which is a ratio, like I said. And so moving on, we have F is equal to friction, coefficient of friction times the reacting force. Now, force is mass times acceleration to gravity, so that's that we have coefficient times mass times the acceleration to gravity, which is 20 times 10 times zero point 0.2, right? So hence the frictional force F is equal to zero point 0.2 times 200, which is equal to 40 Newton. So this brings us to the end of the video. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. This is the 8. Thanks for watching.